Hey guys, welcome to Learning with Vulpoaica. The first step I'm gonna show you how to install Playmaker and Unity 2019. I heard a lot that the version 2019 is more stable, it doesn't crash, and it's also very useful if you want to learn the basics of Unity itself. So let's try it again, so you can see me now. Hey. So maybe my camera will turn off. I have to check because I have a Huawei phone and the sleep doesn't have never, so it has 10 minutes, so I have to check my phone. So you have here the Unity, as you can see here above is 2019, and we have to install Playmaker. So I can show you the next steps, how you have to code and visual coding, of course. So how do you add your Playmaker? So when you have Unity, normally here there's a tab. Normally there has to be a Playmaker. There is not. So we go to Windows. You can go to Package Manager if you want. I'm gonna put it here. And we're gonna look. So you have to do My Assets. Why you have to go to My Assets? Well, the visual script of Playmaker is paid. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. It's not free. So we're gonna show you. Yes, Playmaker. So you can see Playmaker, there's a discount right now, and we are on the 4th of January 2024, and there's a discount. It's a really nice discount because I don't think I had one. I think I had to pay that full price. It's a visual script, just like how you script for Unreal Engine. Playmaker is just a little bit different because the layout, the interface is just different, but it's almost the same, so it's not a problem. So you buy this and then you can add it in your assets. So yeah, I purchased, right? You can actually see that I purchased this. So you can press here if you want, import, or you can go here to the package manager and you can do it this Playmaker. It's how you want, and then you see Playmaker. Both is no problem. Here you have to press on download. There's the same too. You have to put import and then it will happen something. But I always do this. And then you have to check if there is no, acclamation marks or something. Everything is fine. So we're gonna import. Okay, and then we have to click install Playmaker because we have here, but we have to, like, you see the tab there, but you need to do this. Installed. Always install Playmaker first, and when you install Playmaker, don't do any updates, then you will lose everything you had coded for your game. So just install the Playmaker and that's it. Don't touch it anymore. If you want to install assets from your Unity store, or what if you make something from Blender, I don't care, and you want to import something, always make a backup, because I installed something on assets. It was something about look at, and it was an asset, and luckily I made a backup. I already coded some things, and luckily I remembered, and I lost everything, all my codes, and I asked for a refund, but I didn't get it yet. So from November, and I contacted the developer and from the assets. So yeah, so I want my money back. It's not much, but still, it's like 17 years or something, but I wasn't happy with all the codes was missing. So don't update, never Playmaker, and always make an update. Okay, so we want to look here, everything is fine. So just always check what they will say next to the files that you have to do. And I'm really scrolling, like I had assets that were really big and I had to check. Because the file sometimes is the same name, that's why. Okay, import. So it's importing. Okay, and then we need to install ecosystem. Ecosystem, you really need that because there are some really smart and generous people who made some codes that are easier for us to add in the coding in the game, and we need that. So after we do this, we have to do the echo. We have to wait. There you go. Okay. Now we need, I think it's the add-ons. I'm not sure. Let's do that here. Here. Tools. I think it was tools, right? I think it's add-ons. Yeah, it's add-ons. Right here. So when you press add-ons, you have this. So we need echo. You see here? So this one, you need this. And then you have to take this one, package. Then you download it. It's already downloaded. You have to make a map. And I always do it like this. So you know this is the right step. And then you take the Unity, you take the folder here, you take this and you slip it here. And then it will show you another, and you import that. I think it's already done. Then we have to go, and there it is. And then we have ecosystem. I always put here, and then you can search. And then, for example, float. I want to say something about float, and you enter, and it will give you another extra code, you know, that you can, and then you can see it. Normally if you press on the question mark, then you can see how it looks like, and then you understand, like, oh yeah, okay, now I understand how it works. And you can do for each thing, just do what you want. That's it. That was really easy. So you can close this, you don't need it. That's it. And then you have Playmaker, and if you want to add Playmaker and you want to check if it works, normally you need there you go. Here it is. You found it. This Playmaker editor. I always do here and then I add one. That's easier. And then you have here the Playmaker. That's how it always do like this. And then keep it like here. Then you always have it. And that's it. So it's really easy. If you have this, don't delete this thing. It's very important. I will show you in the next videos why it's so important, but don't delete that. That's really important. How do you add that back? I will try to check it. I think you can, yeah, you can add it back, you see. More than, normally you cannot do that, so it's no. But if you yeah, I'm gonna move it. So you can put it back, okay? But not more than one, and keep it like that, okay? Good. So we are done with this one. We go to the next video. See you to the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.